Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to calculate manpower in Microsoft Excel. So guys, first you have to create this type of form. How many days is the project running for? So enter the number, like in your case, there is a project running for 100 days. How many hours each worker working? So maybe it can be 8 hours. Number of workers, so enter here number of workers. So here you will see the result. 2000 2,40,000 hours you need for your project manpower. So to get this result you have to type this formula, equal sign, select this first cell, now multiply symbol, then second cell, multiply symbol, and third cell, then press enter. So you will get this result. So create these three variable and fill as your required and multiply these all. So thanks for watching.